Hello, I'm Aiden, and I wanted to talk about how to operate our Akerworks SimpleKate, how best to stick it to a smooth surface. So the key thing is that you must first place the suction cup flat against your smooth surface, and then raise the shaft. If you do that, then the SimpleKate can hold very, very strongly to any smooth surface, and it'll stay stuck for, I'm talking like days or weeks. If you're getting anything less than that, let us know and we can work with you on it. It's also great to practice on a smooth surface like a mirror or a window, so you know for sure it's smooth enough. And then as you practice, you can learn to do it one-handed. Just push, and while you're holding in, kind of pull down on the shaft or out or up or whichever direction is appropriate. Remember too, on a vertical surface you want to start with the shaft vertical and pull down so that any load, such as a bobbin, only goes to tighten the suction rather than collapse the shaft. And finally, if you have any difficulty getting it off, because sometimes they can stick really well even after you disengage the cam, just use a credit card or Zoom membership and push in from the side, and that'll collapse the suction cup and force it to release.